A lot of people don't realize this, but when we snore, we become more insulin resistant. We also dry out our oral microbiome. Studies have shown people who snore are more likely to develop metabolic disorders like diabetes and also Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a metabolic disorder. So all of these things start happening as a result of our body not being able to go into a deep state of healing at night because of the way we're breathing or dysfunctionally breathing.
And then there's the issue with nitric oxide as well. When you're snoring, your body is going to naturally not produce as much nitric oxide.